Hello and welcome to the online open house for the US-91 Siphon Road to Reservation Road project. My name is Justin Smith. I'm the Public Information Officer with District 5 of the Iowa Transportation Department. The purpose of this project is to expand US-91 between Siphon Road and Tyhee Road and to improve the existing roadway between Tyhee Road and Reservation Road. This project will improve safety and mobility for all US-91 users. Traffic volumes on this roadway have increased over the past several years, and ITD is working to develop plans that will accommodate continued growth. This online open house will provide you with the opportunity to learn and share input about ITD's preliminary design plans to improve US-91. You can also identify concerns that you would like to see the project team address as they continue to work through the design process. If you have additional questions or comments, please use the contact information appearing on your screen to get in touch. This contact information can also be found at the bottom of this webpage. Thank you again for taking the time to join the online open house for the US-91 Siphon Road to Reservation Road project. We look forward to working with the community as this project continues.